Whew. Oh, I can't believe I just got away with that. So it is currently off season here in Santa Cruz, California, meaning most of the tourists go away. It's a city of 60,000 people that will be basically bombarded by 300,000 during the weekends in the summer. So what goes from being quiet and quaint becomes a freaking nightmare when it gets warmer out. But today we're gonna have some fun flying a tiny loop all around one of my favorite spots by the arcade. Hopefully you enjoy this video. I know I'm going to. Hear the call of my people. Woo! Okay, I love flying a tiny loop here. Everyone was like oohing and awing as I was flying that little thing around. Nobody was bothered by it. I call that a major win for drones. If you can have something that fun and that safe to fly around in a place like this, that is awesome. I can't wait to do more. Okay, that was a lot of fun. That's 2 batteries down just in the spot. I just noticed the arcade is open right now, which I wasn't expecting it to be, so I'm gonna go fly a few batteries in there until they kick me out. Wow, it's loud in here. I can't find a single spot where I can actually hear myself think. Hopefully you enjoy the video. It's gonna be a lot of fun. amazing. This is a perfect spot to whoop. Minimal noise. It's actually better than outdoors. I'm kind of amazed. 25 milliwatts for the win. Acro whoop for the win. This thing is awesome. Okay, so I crashed it somewhere. Hopefully I can find it. I think I can. I think I actually might be able to fly it out, but I'm gonna try to find it and at least locate where it is before I ruin any of the battery. Sorry about that. I crashed it over there and I got stuck underneath it. I was just able to get it out. Thank you. Okay, that was too much fun. I think I pushed my luck just enough. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Come check out Santa Cruz, fly some tiny whoops, give people some enjoyment, because this is a lot of fun. I think this is a proper way to get people into the hobby. So thanks for watching, subscribe, do all those amazing things that you do. Follow my videos on AirViews, check out my Patreon, support content like this so I can keep doing amazing things.